Early in my professional career, I would see so many people as they get older lose everything they worked for all their lives because of lack of planning. And planning for the things which are certain or almost certain to happen. So I started looking for a solution. In 2014, when I started this firm, we set out to come up with an affordable strategy to help seniors and their families plan to protect what they have and prepare for the eventualities related to aging.
When you're young, you get so caught up in your day-to-day lives. You're busy with work, raising kids, putting them through college, and it feels like there's just no time to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. But what if something happens? What if you lose capacity and can't function independently? What if you need medical or long-term care? Are your assets safe? Is your family protected?
The problem with estate planning is that most people think that it's all about having a will or some sort of documents. They constantly ask, what documents do I need? But the reality is that what you need is no documents. What you need is a plan. What good does it do to have a will if by the time you pass, there is nothing left in your estate for your kids to inherit because everything that you worked for was consumed by a nursing home or medical bills? You need a plan.
We help families file for guardianship of a spouse or a senior parent because they can no longer function independently. Guardianship is a costly and burdensome court proceeding. It takes a heavy toll on the family and the very person you're trying to help. Same with probate. There are many people who learn that probate should be avoided, but they don't understand why. They were told by someone or read it somewhere that it's better to avoid probate, and in some circumstances, they're right. But the most important and valuable service we can provide for you and your family is to help you plan, so there's never a need for your family to go through any of that. You can avoid guardianship, probate, and many other pitfalls with the right planning. We deal with this on a daily basis. We understand how this process works, and we can help you navigate this process.
Estate planning is no longer about division of your estate after you pass. It's about protecting what you have, protecting your family, protecting you. And most of the planning we do for our clients really affects what happens to them and their property, not just after they pass, but during their lives.
Most people are apprehensive towards estate planning, which is understandable. Who wants to contemplate being ill, losing capacity, or dying? People don't feel comfortable dealing with those issues. They feel overwhelmed, but it doesn't need to be that way. That's where our process comes in. We reduce estate planning to 4 simple steps. We break it down for you and hold your hands every step of the way. It starts with education. We want you to understand your planning options while we learn about you and your family. And that's extremely important. Why? Because we're all different. Our families are different, our financial circumstances are different. We all have different concerns and worries to plan for and protect from. We design your plan together. Our attorneys spend as much time as needed to understand your needs and create a blueprint of your plan with you.
Depending on how complex your plan is, our attorneys usually deliver drafts within 2 to 3 weeks. We use state-of-the-art techniques to ensure the accuracy of your trusts, wills, and any other documents that go into your planning, which is always reviewed by at least 2 attorneys. Once the drafts are ready and delivered to you, our attorneys will review the plan with you and if you want your family, and then we'll assist you with executing the plan, whether it's at your home or at one of our offices.
Many estate planning attorneys stop the process at executing the documents. That's not right. It's like giving you a sophisticated tool without any direction how to use it. We help our clients implement the plan. And that's what makes it work, implementation. You need to make sure that what has to go into the trust goes to the trust. You need to make sure that all beneficiary designations are in place. We help you and guide you. We will give you as much time and attention as you need to make sure your plan is effective and make it work. We will work with your financial advisor, your accountant, to make sure they understand your plan and how it fits with what they do for you and your family. It's a team effort and we work as a team. And best of all, there is no any additional cost to that. We use a flat fee rate for our estate planning work. You can call us, you can email us, you can ask as many questions. In fact, we encourage that because that's what will make your plan work.
There's a huge difference between having documents and having a plan. Having a plan is so much more. It encompasses avoiding costly guardianship and probate, tax planning, asset protection, long-term care planning, maximizing use of your Social Security and other benefits such as veterans or Medicaid, protecting inheritance during the lives of your beneficiaries, your spouse, children, or anyone else that you would want to benefit. Yes, you can help them protect the inheritance from their creditors and predators. That's the true gift you can give to your family.
Estate planning is affordable. The real question is, can you afford not to plan? What would be the cost to you and your family if you don't have a plan? You don't need to have a lot to want to protect it. In fact, if everything you have was a result of your hard work, it becomes even more important. It's all about what it's worth to you.
How do you begin? It's easy. All you need to do is take a first step. What's that step? It depends on you. You can register for one of our educational webinars, you can sign up for our newsletter, or you can call us today and let us guide you. There's no pressure. In fact, estate planning never feels urgent until it's too late. But even if it doesn't feel urgent or important now, remember, having a plan, whatever that plan may be for you, is crucial. For more information, call the Milvidskiy Law Group today. Or you could visit us online at www.thelawofaging.com.